Ozone is an allotrope of oxygen. Its molecules are made of 3 oxygen atoms bonded weakly together. It is an unstable gas which slowly decomposes back to molecular oxygen. The ozone in the stratosphere is continually being made and broken by the ultraviolet light in the ozone-oxygen cycle. To start with, UV gets absorbed in the stratosphere by molecular oxygen, which splits into 2 fast-moving atoms. These fast-moving oxygen atoms collide with air molecules around them, nitrogen and oxygen. This slows the free oxygen atoms down, enabling them to bond weakly with the molecular oxygen to form ozone. If they're moving too fast, they simply bounce off. The energy they shared with the molecules in the air heats up the upper atmosphere. The oxygen atom has now joined with an oxygen molecule to form ozone. Ozone is very effective at absorbing ultraviolet light, which causes the ozone to split back into an oxygen atom and an oxygen molecule again, keeping the upper atmosphere warm. Ozone reforms as before once the oxygen atom is moving slowly again. The ozone is spread out through the stratosphere, shown here in black. Why do you think there is so little ozone high up and low down? Remember, we need ultraviolet radiation and oxygen to make ozone. Pause and think. Well, here there is too little oxygen, and here, near the tropopause, the point of lowest temperature where the troposphere and the stratosphere join, there is no ultraviolet light available. It has all been absorbed by the ozone further out. So this is the ozone layer. If the ozone were squashed together like a solid, it would only be the thickness of a sheet of cardboard, but it is actually a gas spread out over 20 or 30 kilometers. Before our atmosphere was filled with oxygen, the UV reached the Earth's surface and prevented life from emerging onto the land. Ozone is also present in the troposphere, formed mainly by the action of sunlight on pollution from motor vehicles. Here it helps to form photochemical smog and is a pollutant.